I'd like to start with Mark and then go to Bijan. And if you could give each of us just a couple of minutes on your key takeaways, things you think the audience should walk away from this presentation.
The best thing we should take from this webcast would be that if you have a client who is interested in helping foreigners to take over a business here, one, do it voluntarily. Don't wait until CFIUS send you a famous letter saying that, come on over. Don't tell them that it's hard, it's not going to work. Promote the idea that it is getting better and it is easier and will be faster if they do it by the book. And that will help them to get the permission and get it out of the way as fast as possible. That's the two things that you should get out of this webcast. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr.
Bijan.
And maybe just to add to that, we are in a fluid environment with CFIUS. I think really those that are involved in foreign investment into the United States can take some measure of comfort in knowing that even the proposed legislation as it comes out actually does streamline some of the process, gives more definition to the process, better accountability, better review. So there are a lot of positives, a lot of positive outcomes that will spur on foreign investment. Perhaps with the exception of those from China or Russia, where so many comments have been made and so much attention has been directed. Those are the ones that we'll be watching to see how this evolves within the legislation. One piece of the legislation that I did not mention because I was going through quickly was this notion that countries of special concern, which is an undefined term at this point, but many believe include Russia and China, play a more significant role in consideration, both at the level of what constitutes a national security interest and also what constitutes a covered transaction. So it is pretty clear that certain countries will be on a shorter leash as we move forward. So if you're involved in investment from those countries, those are things definitely to watch in the new legislation. And then finally, I think Trump has this way of evolving, chameleon-like personality at times even, and when he balances and thinks through foreign trade and the benefits of foreign direct investment versus national security, those things still need to be worked out, and I think even under the current administration's philosophy. So we'll see. The real question is does Trump use this as a tool to negotiate with Beijing on other issues, things that are more passionate to him. Currency manipulation is one of them, but maybe even North Korea, right? Does this become a tool for how we deal with Beijing going forward? So all very interesting stuff. It seems to change every week, so if you're paying attention, I think you're going to have to continue to do so.